Hello everyone, I'm making this video to explain you guys how you can add stop losses and targets in your running trades. Today we will be specifically focusing upon intraday trades, which is very crucial for you to have a stop loss in your trades. So if you have gone somewhere and if your trades are active, chances are very high that a single candle can ruin your capital. So it's very important for you to add stop losses and targets. Also, if you add stop losses and target, it becomes very easy for you to do your extra work if you are a part-time trader. So as you can see, this trade I have taken, for which I have this Apple India stock I have taken trade of, and I have a total of 145 shares. I have market price. This is the price. This is the price at which I bought it, 1364, and this is the current price, and this is the current running profit. So if you can see, 0.95 into 145, it will go somewhere around, yeah, 1 rupee ahead. So 1 into 145 equal to 145 rupees. So yeah, that is my running profit. And yeah, these are the stop losses and target that I have set. So today I'll show you how you can set these targets and stop losses. So I have learned this thing a hard way. Earlier, when I used to add stop losses, I have triggered wrong trades wherein I have incurred huge losses, and in targets also at times I have incurred huge losses due to wrong prices that I set. So today I'll show you the exact way of how to put targets and stop losses. Okay, so first I'll not exit this share, this position. Okay, will not do anything with this. I'll cancel these two orders. Okay, so then I'll show you first how to add stop loss, and then I'll show you how to add target. So as you can see, currently I have made a stop loss of 1350 and my target is 1395. So this is the little analysis that I do in Excel sheet. So it comes very handy for you to take intraday trades. So Excel is the best way to do data analysis and all. So yeah, now yeah, if I even show you the chart pattern now. So I have a certain analogy, certain strategy due to which I have taken this trade. We'll discuss more on that someday later, but today I'll be just showing you how to add stop losses and targets. So yeah, so I'll cancel these orders just for the sake of making this video. So both of those orders have been cancelled. We'll reload. Okay, first we'll go to the explore section. Okay, investments, then let's add stop loss. So you directly get an option of adding stop loss. So if I if I put if I click on this option, add stop loss, you are greeted with this window wherein as you can see, I have a position of 145 shares. So I have already bought it. It is in positive sign. So now I have to sell it. So automatically if I click on add stop loss, it will divert me to the sell section. Okay, sell section, that too on the intraday segment. Now what should be my stop loss trigger price? So my trigger price would be as per my analogy, as per my understanding that I have built, whatever price that you may want to set in. So my SL price would be somewhere around 1350. So I'll directly put in 1350. Okay, 1350 I have put here. So it is saying that order will be executed at 1350 or lower price. It is very important to note what it is saying, 1350 or lower, or if it says 1350 or higher, and if I press buy, my shares will be sold right at the market price. So yeah, that's an important thing to look at. All positions I need to add, all the positions, 145 net positions I have. Okay, intraday, sorry, this is not the window. Yeah, this is the yeah, this was the window where I was. Yeah, so I need to add the stop loss. I should add the stop loss quickly because it may go down, and as you can see, this is naked. It does not have any stop loss, neither any target. So yeah, let me add the stop loss. 1350 would be my stop loss. Okay, 1350, if I have done all the mathematics, 1350, if it goes to 1350, I'll be making a loss of around 2000 rupees. So yeah, that all of that I have taken into consideration. Yeah, so I have to click on sell button. Okay, I think I should do it once again. I don't want to face any losses today. Okay, so yeah, we go here, add stop loss, sell section, intraday. Okay, target price would be 1350. Okay, I need to click on sell. Yeah, my order has been placed. Positions are not squared off yet. It will be squared off when 1350 will be reached. Now let me teach you how to add target. So if you see here, you get an option of exit. Okay, when you click on exit, you will see that you are again greeted with the sell section. Okay, sell, that too in the intraday section. Now you have 145 shares. Also you can manipulate it. If you want to sell, let's say 15 shares only, you can do that. Also multiple trades you can have here if you want to trail your stop loss and all. So yeah, that all those kind of things you can do. So if I have if I've taught you how to add a stop loss, how to add a target, you can do rest of the things like as many trades that you want to set in. So yeah, this is the ultimate way that I'm teaching. With the help of this, you can make any stop loss or any target. Okay, market price, no, I don't have to click on market price. If I click on market price, it will be squared off readily, and it is saying 0, but I'll be yeah, it is some negative value now. I'll be facing losses in terms of the daily intraday charges, like SEBI also impose some charges, and Groww also impose some charges, 0.05 of per trade. So buy and sell 0.45. So yeah, it is if I'm having losses in negative, if I'm having a break even trade, like if I'm making total returns as 0, then again I'll be having a few uh, losses. Yeah, so yeah, now let's go to sell. Let me put in the number as well. My target is 1395. Okay, so yeah, let's click on sell section. Yeah, as you can sell order failed. Why? Type intraday, try again. What is it? Something went wrong. Okay, it has not given any clear reason what went wrong. Okay, let's go again. I have position, thank god. I thought it got squared off. Yeah, so I need to click on exit, then sell section, intraday. Now not market price, limit price. My limit price would be 1395. Again it has to be sell because I have bought the shares. Okay, so open sell order present for 145 quantity. Yes, now click on sell. Done. So yeah, if I reload it once again, yeah, so these earlier when I used to place these orders, my position, many a times my position have gotten squared off. Why? Because I have chosen wrong values here and wrong options I have chosen earlier. So yeah, this time I have learned this thing the hard way, so I thought why not teach this to other people also. So yeah, this is my running trade and I'm having a loss of this much amount. And if I tell you about the total amount that I have invested here, so let's do the simple maths. Yeah, so as you can see, I have a total of 145 shares. 145, if I multiply it with the market, the average price, this is the price at which I bought it. Okay, so yeah, this is the total amount of money that is being used in this trade. But as you can see, this is an intraday trade, this is an intraday position. So in this position I'm getting the option of using leverage. So if I'm getting a leverage of 5x. So let's say if I take I'll give you another example, right? So intraday section, if we choose, you get to see something like margin 5x. So 5x is the margin that you get. So if you have 1 lakh rupees, you can take trades up to 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so yeah, 5x complete 5x of margin I have taken over here. You can choose to have 3x 2x also, but this time I have chosen to take complete leverage of 5x. Okay, so again if you do the calculation, yeah, this much of total amount is being used for this trade. My broker has given me this money, Groww has given me this money. So if I multiply it with 0.2, that will give me the amount that I have invested. Yeah, 39,556. So also if I show you, this is the amount of money that I added today itself. Okay, so if I go to all transactions, you'll get to see that today only 1st of July 1:30 p.m. I added this much of amount, and I have taken trade of this complete amount. Okay, yeah, so let's go back again, let's go back. Yeah, this is the current loss that I am having, and I'm I'm also, see, you cannot be completely sure in intraday trades. In swing trades you can be sure about your trades because you have the factor of time is with you. You can choose to hold that trade because you have given the complete money. But here I have not given the complete money. I have taken a loan from my broker, loan of if we calculate it, I have taken a loan of 1.6 lakh rupees. So yeah, I have to trade it, I have to square off this trade before 3:30, right? So if I don't square off my trade, my broker would impose some other charges to me. auto square of charges. So yeah, I'm an active trader, so I can, even if I'm not an active trader, I'm a passive trader, I can again, I have put in these uh, targets also, and stop loss also. But if price does not go to these levels, and if it hovers between these levels, so what will happen is my trade will get auto squared off by the broker. And by the time the market closes, like 3:30, we have to close our trade by 3:25. So I'll again come to the market at around 3:10, and I'll analyze it till around 3:15, and then I'll make another trade, direct market order. I'll place to kind of square off my trade, because I know how to deal things, so I don't want my broker to intervene. So I'll make my trades even though I'm facing losses or profit, I don't care. But yeah, I'm kind of testing my analysis, my hypothesis. So this all study I have done in order to take this trade. So I'm pretty sure if today I am face a loss, I'll be end up having learnings. So with that learning, I can again take trades tomorrow, day after tomorrow. It's again asking me to log in. So yeah, with this learning, uh, I can take trades in the future. Uh, so yeah, it's a part and parcel of this intraday trading, that we get losses and we get profits. So yes, so even if I, yeah, what I'm saying is, even if I get losses, I don't care. Tomorrow I'll make profit. Tomorrow I'll make profit. And such rampage moves at times come in. Like if you see here, if I show you, yeah, this is such a rampage move that had come in on 26th of June, right? So these separators are day wise separators. So this is 25th and this is 26th of June. So yeah, I had not taken this trade, but yeah, I was mindful of it, that this can show a huge run up. So, and you can see this run up came at around 14:30, right at 2:30 p.m. So yeah, so I was quite bullish about this stock on that day itself. So as you can see, it showed a run up of around 7%, 93 rupees run up it showed that day. So if I multiplied it with my today's trade, I'm not good with maths, so yeah, directly we can do here also, right? 145 into 92, it will be around 1330, yeah, 13,340 rupees. So that is much I would be earning if I had taken trade that day. I was completely bullish about it, so I knew that such kind of a move may come in. And also you can see any day, if this kind of a plateau is appearing in the chart, you have to like, you can guess a move. You can obviously you have to put in your extra analysis, but you can see that uh, this is the silence before a storm. So this you can see in other stocks also. I shall give you one more example. So yeah, let me give you one more example. Yeah, so let's go with it. So in this stock also, you can see such kind of rampage move on daily basis, right? So these kind of plateau, whenever this kind of a plateau is hit, you cannot take it as a guaranteed solution of having a trade with huge moves. But yes, this is a kind of an indication that yes, some rampage move is about to happen. And when you see this kind of a plateau, you have to do your post analysis to take trade. Either you want to go long or short, so that homework you need to do. And yeah, so this is a simple thing that I wanted to share. So yeah, here also you can see that there are numerous examples. Here also you can see plateau is hit, plateau is hit, plateau is hit, some kind of a plateau, some 20-30 points you can fetch here also. So yeah, I don't want to get into it. So yeah, do tell in comments if you want me to share a strategy. Let's see how much of profit we are running in. Yeah, break even we are having. This is good. This trading view gives indication ticker right in the nav bar itself. So yeah, this is a nice thing to have. This Groww terminal does not give any ticker in the nav bar. So yeah, so yeah, I have taught you how to add stop losses and targets. If you have any queries, you can write in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to solve your queries. Thank you so much.